Hi, to enable and disable Quick Launch on your Honor Magic 7 Lite. As a first step, just open Settings on the phone. And here scroll down to find Accessibility Features tab. After that, you should pick Shortcuts and Gestures, and then go in Quick Launch. So basically, if you'll enable this feature, when the device is screen off, locked and not playing audio, you can double tap on the volume down button and it will activate the specified function. So to turn it on, just tap on the switcher and it will light up blue. And the only function we got on this device is flashlight. So let's try this out. I'm gonna lock my phone and double tap volume down button, which is located right here. And yes, flashlight is enabled now. You can double tap it again to disable. And now let's disable this feature. For that, we need to go back in settings and tap on the switcher. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.